I'm going to unbox this JBL Flip 4 and then we'll talk about it. So inside the box, we have the instructions, the speaker itself, and the charging cable. This is the JBL Flip 4. It comes with 12 hours of playtime. It has IPX7 times waterproof. It has noise and echo canceling speakerphone. It has Bluetooth streaming, and it also has a JBL bass radiator. This one also has voice assistant integration as well. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Power button is right here. Okay. Searching. And we have paired in a matter of mere seconds. Let's play some copyright-free music. Is it doing it? Oh, okay, it is. A little bit better. The other one did it a lot better. The sound on this sounds amazing, and the bass is also great as well. It looks great. I really do love this red color. It's stunning. It's a showstopper. Very user-friendly with all the buttons, and sounds and looks great. It does have this hoop here for easy transportation to and from wherever you want to go, or of course you can stand it up like this or on its side. Overall, I think this is a wonderful speaker that looks and sounds amazing.